my dear first class children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Chapter 4, subtraction up to 20. Subtraction, to take away. What do you mean by subtraction? To take away. Which symbol we are going to use it for take away? Minus. M-I-N-U-S. How to read it? Minus. M-I-N-U-S. Subtraction means to take away numbers or things. Minus is symbol for subtraction. To take away means minus. Minus means subtraction. Okay? Understood? First, in this chapter, you have to learn subtraction up to 20. Up to 20. First, crossing out. Crossing out means to take away. Not all the things. Some things only we are going to crossing out. Okay, I have balls. I have some balls. Now count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balls I have? 7. I take away 3 balls. I take away 3 balls. That means I given 3 balls to my friend. I given away 3 balls to my friend. Then how many balls are left? Left. L-E-F-T, left. This is subtraction word. I have 7 balls. I given 3 balls to my sister. Then how many balls are left with me? Now 7 balls are there. How many I am going to take away? 3. Take away. How many? 3. Take away means crossing out. How many balls we are going to cross? 3. From right side. 1, 2, 3. Now let us count how many balls are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is answer. 4 is answer. I have 7 balls. I given 3 balls to my sister. Then how many balls are left with me? Here we are going to show like this. 7 balls. I take away 3 balls. Crossing out. How many are left with me? 4. Now I am going to show this in subtraction. How to write subtraction? 7 take away means minus 3 equal to 4. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. We take away 3 from 7. We subtract 3 from 7. Answer is 4. This is right like this also. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Vertical subtraction. This is going to horizontal subtraction, vertical subtraction. Okay? Here we subtract 3 from 7. We take away 3 from 7. Understood? Now next subtraction. Ways to subtract. That is going to, yes, forward counting. Forward counting. Come on, tell me the numbers 1 to 20, Nana. Come on. Counting forward or forward counting. That means we are going to read the numbers in order. We write the numbers in order after numbers. 1 to 20. Come on, tell me. Counting forward or forward counting from 1 to 20. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now the given numbers are in order. These are forward counting, are counting forward. See, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 9 after 10, 10 after 11, 11 after 12, 12 after 13, 13 after 14, 14 after 15, 15 after 16, 16 after 17, 17 after 18, 18 after 19, 19 after 20. Okay? This is going to forward counting. Forward means we are going to write next numbers. Okay? This is forward counting we are using in subtraction. Okay? Subtraction. See how to count forward. See, given subtraction, I have 8 ice creams. How many ice creams? 8 ice creams. I ate 4 ice creams. I ate 4 ice creams. Then how many ice creams are left? I ate means నేను తినేసాను 4 ఐస్ క్రీమ్స్. ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఐఎమ్ నాట్ అన్నీ తినేసేలా నేను కొన్నే తిన్నా, ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అంటే యూఆర్ యూజింగ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సింబల్ ఫర్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్? Minus. Here put the symbol minus. Now read the subtraction. 8 minus 4. I have 8 ice creams. I ate 4 ice creams. How many ice creams are left? Number of left ice creams we get by subtraction. Here using counting forward. Counting forward start from smaller number. Here 8 is big, 4 is small. In 1 digit numbers, these are 1 digit numbers. 1 to 9 are 1 digit numbers. 10 to 20 are 2 digit numbers. 1 digit means ones. O-N-E-S, ones. 2 digit means tens and ones. Okay? Ones, 1 digit numbers. Tens and ones, 2 digit numbers. Starting number is 10. 2 digit numbers. 2 numbers, that number having 2 places. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. 1 digit numbers. Up to 9. Only ones. In the given subtraction, 8 is big, 4 is small. Here we start counting from 4. Okay, ready now? Close fingers. 4 after, see, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8 in the counting. Start counting. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is answer. Here we take away 4 from 8. We take away 4 from 8. Understood? We take away 4 from 8. Understood the concept? Forward counting, counting forward. Start from smaller number. Start from smaller number. Here the given numbers 4 is small. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 4 in the counting. Then answer is 4. How many ice creams are left? 4 ice creams are left. This is going to counting forward to subtract. Counting forward to subtract. One more example. Next one, my dear children. This is going to counting forward. Forward counting numbers from 1 to 20. Forward means next numbers, after numbers. Now another example. 8 minus 2. We subtract 2 from 8. Next one. 7 minus 4. We subtract 4 from 7. 5 minus 3. We subtract 3 from 5. 9 minus 4. We subtract 4 from 9. 6 minus 3. We subtract 3 from 6. 4 minus 2. We subtract 2 from 4. Come on. First one. Here heading goes to subtract. Using counting forward. Subtract using counting forward. We do subtraction in counting forward. Start from small number. That means first we have to identify which is the small number. See, 8 and 2, which is small? 2. Actually, subtraction means lower number is small, upper number is big. Big number minus small number. Second number always small. Okay? Now start counting from second number till we get first number. Okay? How to do? Ready? Close fingers. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. 8 minus 2, 6. These all are one digit numbers. Ones, O-N-E-S, ones. 8 ones minus 2 ones. Answer is 6 ones. Here we subtract 2 from 8. 2 from 8. Next one. One digit numbers. Ones. 7 minus 4. We take away 4 from 7. Ready, my dear children? Come on. Close fingers. 4 after 5. 6. 7. Yes. Stop counting. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. 7 minus 4. 3. Go to next one. Ones. One digit numbers. Here we subtract 3 from 5. We subtract 3 from 5. Come on. Using close fingers. 3 after 4, 5. We get 5. Stop counting. How many fingers? 1, 2. Answer is 2. Okay, children. Subtraction means big number minus small number. Big number minus small number. 7 is big, 4 is small. 5 is big, 3 is small. Now come to next one. 9 minus 4. 9 is big, 4 is small. Okay? How to do? Here we subtract 4 from 9. Ready? Come on. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Here we take away 4 from 9. Next. 6 minus 3. Minus 3. We take away 3 3 from 6. Ready? Ready? Come on. Close fingers. 3 after 4. 5. 6. Stop counting. How many fingers? 6 is upper number, no? Stop counting. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3. 3. Now go to next one. 4 minus 2. 4 is big. 2 is small. Ready, my dear children? Close fingers. 2 after 3. 4. Then how many fingers? 2. The answer is 2. These are subtractions using counting forward. Start from small number to big number. If we start counting from small number to big number, if you get this number in the counting, stop counting and count the fingers. Okay, children, understood? Subtracting counting forward method. Start from smaller number to bigger number. Subtraction means big number minus small number. We take away. Can I go to next one? Okay, shall I write? Subtract minus. Okay? Next one. Subtracting 0. Subtracting 0. We subtract 0 from a number. We subtract 0 from a number. See, I have ice creams. I have ice creams. Let us count how many ice creams I have. Count. I have some ice creams. How many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ice creams. But I am not take away any ice cream. And I have not given away any ice creams to others. All the ice creams I keep there only. I kept there only. I am not eating. I am not given away. I am not take away. All ice creams are there only. Okay? I am not given away. I am not taking. All are there. That can shows. That means all the ice creams are kept there only. I am not taking anything. That means nothing. 0. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. No crossing out. All the ice creams are there only. I am not eating anything. That means shows nothing. Nothing means 0. 0 means nothing. That's why here write the number 0. 4 minus 0. Answer is 4. Why? All the ice creams are there only. Minus. Take away. Take away. I am not taking anything. All are there only. That means nothing. 4 minus 0 equal to 4. I am not taking anything. All are there. That's why 4 minus 0. 4. Number minus 0. 4. We subtract 0 from a number. The answer is same number. We subtract 0 from a number. The answer is same number. Okay, understood? When we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is number itself. Number itself means same number. Ade number vastundi. Number lo nunchi 0 ni subtract cheste same number answer vastundi ani. Okay, understood? Next one. Three minus 0. 5 minus 0. 8 4 minus 0. Come on. 3 balls are there. I am not taking nothing. All the balls are there only. Then here we subtract 0 from a number. The answer is number itself. That means 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. Next one. I have 5 flowers. I am not taking nothing. I am taking nothing. All the flowers kept there only. Nothing means 0. 5 minus 0. The answer is same number. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 0. I have 8 chocolates. I take away nothing. All the chocolates are there only. Nothing means 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 0, 8. Next one. 4 minus 0. I have 4 ice creams. I take away nothing. All ice creams kept there only. Then what is the answer? 4 minus 0, 4. Number minus 0, same number. Number minus 0, same number. Understood? Read. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 0, 4. Number minus 0, same number. Number minus nothing. Nothing means 0. Okay, 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. This is going to rule in the subtraction. We subtract 0 from a number. The answer is same number. Go to next one. Subtracting a number from itself. Subtracting a number from itself. Subtracting a number from itself. That means we subtract a number from same number. Okay? How do you get the answer? See. 4 minus 4. We subtract number from itself. Itself means same number. I have 4 chocolates. I ate 4 chocolates. Then how many are left? నా దగ్గర 4 chocolates ఉన్నాయి. 4 తినేసా. అప్పుడు ఇంకెంతుంటాయి నా దగ్గర? ఏమీ ఉండవు. Nothing I have. Nothing shows it is 0. The answer is 0. Number subtracting from itself. The answer is 0. Number minus same number equal to 0. Next one. 6 minus 6 equal to. I have 6 flowers. I given all the flowers to my sister. Then how many left with me? Nothing. Nothing I have. Then 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 8. I have 8 balls. I given away all the balls to the children. I have nothing balls. Then 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1. I have 1 cake. I given that cake to my sister. Then how many cakes with me? Nothing. నా దగ్గర ఒకటే ఉంది. ఆ ఒక్కటి మా చెల్లికి ఇచ్చేసా. అప్పుడు నా దగ్గర ఎన్ని కేక్స్ ఉంటాయి? ఏమీ ఉండవు. నథింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Subtracting a number from itself. Answer is 0. Read. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. This is going to rule in the subtraction. Go to next one. Subtracting 1 from a number. Subtracting 1 from a number. I have 5 chocolates. I given away 1 chocolate to my friend. Then how many chocolates left with me? Here answer is before number of the given number. 1 less than 5. That means 5 before 4. The rule goes to taken away 1 from a number means before number of the given number. Here given number is 5. 5 before 4. 8 minus 1. We take away 1 from 8. That means answer is 8 before 7. 8 before 7. 3 minus 1. Here we take away 1 from 3. 3 before 2. 3 before 2. 4 minus 1. We take away 1 from 4. That means 4 before 3. Okay? This is going to subtracting 1 from a number. The before number of the given number. 1 less than means before number. Okay, Nana understood the concepts? Can I give you homework for you? Come on, open your HW books, Nana. Take your HW book. Come on. Come on, write heading in your book. SUBTRACT. Subtract. I am going to draw check rule. You having check rule no in maths book. That's why I draw check rule. And how I am writing, you observe and write in our homework book like this. Check rule boxes. Your book also having no like this. Yes or no? Yes. Come on. Subtract heading. First one. Ready? Write here number 6. This box minus 3. Put 2 dashes. Here we take away 3 from 6. Leave a box. Second one 8 minus 5. Put 2 dashes. Subtraction. We take away 5 from 8 using forward counting. Counting forward. You start counting after 5 till we get 8. Leave a box. Third one 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Leave a box. Fourth one 7 minus 2. We subtract 2 from 7. 7 minus 2. 9 minus 6. 8 minus 5. 6 minus 3. Leave a line. Fifth one. Leave one line. My dear children. Come on. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Sixth one. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Leave a box for each one. Seventh one. 9 minus 0. Leave a box. Eighth one. 6 minus 4. Find the answer. You take your mother's help and write the numbers neatly and do the subtraction. Okay? Practice yourself. And learn table of 4. Table of 4. Okay children? 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 16, for 5s are 20, for 6s are 24, for 7s are 28, for 8s are 32, for 9s are 36, for 10s are 40. Take care, my dear children. Thank you very much. Bye.